The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we started with a story of a king who ran away to save his life. Don't you remember that? Now tell me, why did the king run away? Yes, correct, because he lost his country in a war. What is the name of the king? Name of the king is? Yes, Robert Bruce. What did he see in the cave? Yes, he saw a spider. What was the spider doing? The spider was trying to spin a web. Isn't it? Now, one of your friend is telling the meanings of the new words from the story.
Hello friends, my name is Alona. I am studying second B. Today I am speaking new words. First one, war, a fight between two or more groups of countries. Second one, spin, make a build. Third one, web, a trap made by a spider to catch food. Thank you.
Alona, it is a very good work you have done. Now children, let us start our story. Yes, take your book, open page number 18. Let us continue the story. Okay? I will read, you listen to it carefully. There was a strong wind. The web tore. The spider tried again. What happened? The spider was trying to spin the web. The wind blew strongly. The wind was very strong. The web tore. The web tore. Okay? The spider tried again. The wind was very strong that it tore the web. What the spider was making. Again, a strong wind blew. The spider again tried to make the web. Again a strong wind blew. The spider fell down. It got up and started spinning the web again. This happened many times. Again the wind blew very strong. Okay? And the spider fell down. It got up and started spinning the web again. Again the spider, what did it do? It fell down. Again it got up and it started making the web again. This happened many times. Many times the wind blew strongly. Okay? The wind was very strong and many times the spider fell down and the poor spider got up and again it tried to make the web. Okay? The king was watching all these things. So, the king said, "Oh little spider, you should give up. The wind is too strong for you." Oh, the spider is a very small creature, isn't it? The king said to the spider, "Oh little spider, you should give up. The wind is too strong for you. You stop making the web. The wind is very strong. You should give up," said the king. However, the spider did not give up. it tried spinning the web 6 times. Again, what happened? The spider did not give up. It tried making. The web tore again and again. The wind blew harder and harder, but the spider did not give up. It tried spinning the web 6 times. How many times it made the web? 6 times. Each time the wind tore the web. Whenever the spider is making the web, the wind tore the web. The wind was too strong. At last, the 7th time, the spider finally built its web fully. At the 7th time, it could make the web very strongly. Okay? It completed making its web. This time, the web was strong. Okay? At last, the spider built a strong web. It did not tear even when a strong wind blew. Yeah? The web was so strong that it couldn't tear. King Bruce thought the little spider tried so hard. It is very brave. How can I give up so easily? I should fight back. King Bruce thought, this little spider tried many times. See, this little spider tried so hard. It is very brave. How can I give up so easily? I should fight back. At that time only, King Bruce thought, this little spider worked hard. Isn't it? To build the house, it tried many times. Then only it could make its web. Isn't it? So, like that, King thought, I should have fought back. This little spider tried so hard. It is very brave. So, this little spider is very brave. It tried many times and it did not give up whenever the wind blew. So, like that, how can I give up so easily? I should fight back. At that time, he thought, I should not give up. I should fight back. He told the spider, you taught me a great lesson today. Thank you. You taught me a great lesson. The spider taught the king the lesson that we should not give up easily. Moral of the story is, what is the moral? You should never give up. Okay, until you succeed. Until you succeed, never you give up. Once more I will read the today's portion. There was a strong wind. The web tore. The spider tried again. Again a strong wind blew. The spider fell down. It got up and started spinning the web again. This happened many times. The king said, "Oh little spider, you should give up. The wind is too strong for you." However, the spider did not give up. It tried spinning the web 6 times. Each time, the wind tore the web. The 7th time, the spider finally built its web fully. This time, the web was strong. It did not tear even when a strong wind blew. King Bruce thought, this little spider tried so hard. It is very brave. How can I give up so easily? I should fight back. He told the spider, you taught me a great lesson today. Thank you. Yes. How many times did the spider make its web? Spider made the web 6 times and only on the 7th time it could complete it fully. How is a spider described? Spider is hard working and brave. Okay. Children, one of your is giving the summary of the story.
Hi friends, do you know me? I am Lamia Sherin S. In last class, teacher tells us a story, namely The King and the Spider. Do you remember that? Friends, what's the story tells us? Yes, it tells us about hard working. I will tell the story in a few sentences. There lived a king in Scotland, namely Robert Bruce. He lost his country in a war. He ran away to save the life. He reached a forest. He went inside a cave. He was very sad. King Bruce saw a spider in a cave. It was trying to make a web. The wind is so strong. The spider fell down. The spider did not give up. It tried for 6 times. Then the wind blows and broke the web. At last time the spider made a web completely. King thought, little spider tired so hard. He told the spider, you taught me a great lesson. Thank you. Friends, what is the moral of story? Pursue pace, way to success. Hope you all understand the moral of story. Thank you.
Thank you, Lamia. You told the story beautifully. Children, read the story once more and understand the moral of the story. Okay? You also should never give up till you reach your goal. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.